QR. What?
R S T. You just burped and didn't say anything.
I can't. Just do it over. I'll start it over.
Alright, go.
Starting?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. Let's just write it down. Can you write it down?
Write down the alphabet?
I can't. I have to look at it. I keep forgetting.
No, that doesn't count.
Well, that was a big word right there. Okay. Can you redo it?
It's doing it. Just go. A.
You have to tell me.
No, just go. H. J. L. M. N. Q. What the Are you out of breath? Are you proud of yourself?
Yes.
Do you want to throw up?
I don't know. I've been getting that feeling yesterday.
Oh my god, you're wild. You truly are my son.